Big news, Scout has announced they are going to be moving their corporate headquarters here to Charlotte, North Carolina. As a Charlotte resident, I'm excited. This is going to be literally right in my backyard over there. And I'm thrilled to see a little bit of corporate activity from the automotive world coming here to Charlotte. So welcome back to All Cars Reacts to the news. So yes, Scout has released a press release just a couple of days ago saying that they're going to be moving their headquarters here to Charlotte along with 1,200 jobs over time. So the headquarters is going to be coming here to an area called Plaza Midwood, specifically a development called Commonwealth. This is going to be a mixed-use development that has Class A office space, retail, and residence in the form of apartments. It's an incredible opportunity to develop a new area of what is one of the more interesting areas of Charlotte. Now, what's good here and what's fascinating here is that the South has had a lot of growth from the automotive world, and specifically South Carolina, just to our south. The BMW led the way by moving into Greenville, South Carolina region, down near Charleston at the coast. Volvo has a plant down there, and Scout is going to be doing a plant in between, just outside of the capital of Columbia, in a little place called Blythewood. Now, that is actually going to be about a little more than an hour away from the corporate headquarters down to the actual manufacturing site. The manufacturing site, they've said, is going to employ eventually 4,000 people. This one up here, like I said, is going to have about 1,200 people. And according to their press release, they are going to be moving not only their corporate leadership here, but R&D, finance, IT, sales, marketing, and other key corporate functions. Now, they're going to start staffing up in 2026, and it'll take a couple of years, apparently, to fully staff up. But what's really surprising is they said that the bringing average salaries of $172,878, or about twice the average for our area. Now, this is not all just because they love us. Scout, in their press release, actually said, with a thriving talent pool, world-class universities, and a deserved reputation as a launchpad for bold ideas, Charlotte offers the momentum we need to scale quickly and sustainably. We'll build a headquarters that reflects our culture, empowers our teams, and connects us to a region that's fast becoming a national hub for mobility and manufacturing. Well, that's kind of broad. The region is more the South. The Charlotte is more of a finance region. Of course, North Carolina has AI, and we have some battery, but the closest we've gotten to a major automotive manufacturing plant was VinFast over outside of the Raleigh area. But they can't seem to sell enough cars, so they've actually put their factory on, let's say, indefinite hiatus. Well, here, we're finally getting some action from the automotive industry, so I'm super, super excited about it. Now, according to the City of Charlotte website, they said that 365 of those employees are currently based in Northern Virginia and will be moving here, and that means they're going to hire about 835 positions locally. And this doesn't all come for free. According to thecentersquare.com, Scout Motors was lured here with $71.4 million in subsidies, which is $51.3 million from the state. The county kicked in 12.8 and the city of Charlotte 7.3 to come here. You know what? I don't have a problem with any of that. This happens in big business. Subsidies are offered. I have a feeling this is tied to job creation and base salary as well. So they've got to hit some targets to earn the whole thing. And I'm okay with that. I'm thrilled that we're getting some automotive action here, and I would love to see this be the first step down the road that starts bringing some more manufacturing to North Carolina. It's a great state to live and do work in. And so thank you, Scout. If you ever see this, we appreciate you being here and coming to love our city. Now, I would like to say, however, that if you happen to be looking for a former civil engineer who did grading, storm drainage, water, and sewer distribution systems, who has relatively extensive experience in residential real estate sales, and is an automotive enthusiast and a content creator on his own channel, well, if that unique set of skills works for you, we can kill two birds with one stone. I could use a job. I could use a salary, and I'll buy a Scout when they come out. Reach out to me if you're interested. Thanks so much, everybody, for being here. I think this is great news for the Charlotte area. I appreciate you spending just a few minutes with me today.